Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss the question answers of section D and E of chapter 7, The World of Living. Section D, answer the following questions in brief. First question, name any three important characteristics of living beings. You have to write three characteristics or properties of living being. Three properties are living things grow करती हैं, and second, living things are made up of cells. All living things are made up of cells. लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड एंड वाटर लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड एंड वाटर. उनको फूड एनर्जी के लिए फूड एंड वाटर की नीड होती है. लिविंग थिंग ऑल्सो दे नीड ऑक्सीजन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑटोट्रॉप्स एंड हिटोट्रॉप्स. ऑटोट्रॉप्स are those living organisms which can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis are called autotrophs. All green plants are autotrophs. Heterotrophs, these are those living organisms which cannot prepare their own food are called heterotrophs. Example, non-green plants like dodder, that is amabel, mushrooms, animals, human beings. These all are heterotrophs. Third question, give two examples each of annual, biennial and perennial plants. Annual plants are vegetables and crops. Single year में एक ही बार आपको क्रॉप मिलेगी, दैट आर एनुअल्स. सिंगल एक ही सीजन के लिए सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं. एंड बाइनल मीन्स जो 2 सीजन्स तक सर्वाइव कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैरेट एंड रेडिश. पेरिनियल्स, example of perennial plants are mango and guava. Fourth question, give two examples each of animals which reproduce by laying egg and by giving birth to young ones. Examples are hen and fishes. And two examples of animal which give birth to young one, human and cow. Next question, give two example each of vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates कौन से होते हैं जिनमें बोन्स बैकबोन होती है, एंड इनवर्टिब्रेट्स आर द एनिमल्स जिनमें बैकबोन प्रेजेंट नहीं होती. Examples are vertebrates, human and birds, invertebrates, earthworm and cockroach. Write the names of any 4 useful products obtained from plant. 4 useful products obtained from plants are vegetables, fruits, medicine, spices. Now section E, first question, all living things respond to external stimuli. Justify the statement with example. Answer, all living organisms respond to different stimuli. This can be illustrated by following examples. For example, animal like earthworm move away from light and saline media, and the tip of a shoot system tend to move towards light. Dropping off leaf of touch mean not plant responds to the touch stimulus. A cloud is considered as non-living even though it can move and can grow bigger. Explain why. A cloud is considered as non-living even though it can move and can grow bigger because it cannot breathe like living things. It cannot take food items. A cloud cannot respond to different stimuli. Cloud is not made up of cells. Cells से नहीं बने होते ये. It does not have a definite lifespan. इनका कोई definite lifespan नहीं है. That's why cloud is non-living. Write 2 points of differences between herbs and shrubs and tree. Herbs and shrubs. Herbs are very small plants, usually ranges from a few centimeters to about 1 meter. Shrubs are medium-sized plants, usually having a height of 1 meter to about 3 meters. Herbs, they have soft and green stems. Example, vegetables, grasses, etc. Shrubs, they have hard and woody stems. Example, rose, cotton, etc. Now shrubs and trees. Shrubs are medium-sized plants, usually having a height of 1 meter to 3 meters. And trees are tall and large plants. For example, shrubs के examples हैं rose, cotton, and in tree examples are neem, mango, etc. State the difference between biennial and perennial plants. Biennial plants live for 2 seasons and perennial plants live for many years. Biennial plants, in the first year they have full vegetative growth, and in the second year they bear flowers and fruits. Perennial plants, they produce flowers and fruits many times in their lifetime. Mango, guava and neem are some examples of perennial plants. Examples of biennial plants are carrot, radish and turnip. Name 2 types of terrestrial plants. Terrestrial means जो lands पे होते हैं. How do they differ on the basis of their habitat and water requirements? 2 types of terrestrial plants are mesophyte and xerophyte. Mesophytes, these plants grow on land and need moderate amount of water supply for their survival. For example, mango tree, apple tree, etc. Xerophytes. These plants grow in deserts and need very small amount of water for their survival. उनको काफ़ी कम अमाउंट में वाटर चाहिए एंड हैविंग लॉन्ग रूट्स, उनकी रूट्स काफ़ी लॉन्ग होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैक्टस, बबूल एक्सेट्रा. How are vertebrates different from invertebrates? Vertebrates, they have a backbone which is made up of several small ring-like bones called vertebrate. They do not have backbone. Invertebrates की backbone नहीं होती. These animals, vertebrates, are well developed because of bony skeleton. Invertebrates, they have a short body. For example, vertebrates के examples human being, fish, frog, lizard. And example of invertebrates are earthworm, cockroach, snail. Write any 4 uses of animal in our daily life. 4 uses of animals in our daily life are as following. Animals like camel and horse are used for transportation of humans and materials. We get many different products like leather, wool and silk from animals. Many edible products like milk, honey, eggs and meat are obtained from animals. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.